Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley from mamasdance.com, and today I'm going to show you some of the progress that we've made in our cottage kitchen renovation.
Hey, I'm Ashley. You might know me from the blog This Mama's Dance, where I share inspiration for the heart and home. Join me over the next 6 weeks while my husband Matt and I renovate our old farmhouse kitchen into the cottage kitchen of our dreams.
To get you up to speed, we are doing this renovation project as part of the One Room Challenge hosted by Linda from Calling It Home, and I cannot tell you how great of a motivator this has been for us in getting this project completed. So this week we got through a ton of messy jobs and finally we're working on the finishing stuff. So you can see behind me we installed tongue and groove pine planks. They're primed right now, so I still need to paint them. This it hid the ugly construction that was here on this wall and started to make it feel like a finished room. We also got our countertops installed. We went with butcher block from IKEA. We looked at some other countertop options and these were just so affordable. We could get them right away, install them ourselves, and we still got the large continuous island piece that I wanted, or technically it's a peninsula, but we'll call it an island. So this adds extra seating for our 4 kids. They can all fit in here with bar stools. I love that. It gives us a breakfast bar. Previously, this room was completely closed off from our dining area, so we took down the wall here, and that really opened things up so that we have continuous sight lines, we get the natural light pouring in, and it just feels like one big room instead of disjointed little rooms, which is how they used to build old houses. It's not completely open to our living area. It allows a little bit of separation, which I like, but the kitchen feels huge. We didn't really change the footprint of the kitchen, but the space is just working so much harder for us, so I'm so excited about that. Over here, don't mind the dirty dishes, but we got the sink installed this week, so that has been amazing. I love the sink. It is also from IKEA. It's their newer apron front sink, so the main difference is it doesn't have the large plate in the back, and then we installed this faucet. It's a Pfister, I don't know how to say the brand, but that's what it is. It's just sleek and kind of has like a modern feel, which I think still really works in the aesthetic of the cottage kitchen. In terms of getting this project wrapped up, we've got to finish planking the ceiling, get it all painted, get the pot lights installed. I've got to finish planking the wall with my husband, finish painting that. We've got to choose a color for the peninsula. We paneled the whole thing out using pine and then MDF baseboard trim. I really love the way that it looks. I just have to decide if I want it to kind of blend in seamlessly or kind of provide a high contrast. So I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do. And then we've got to get the kick plates on, the hardware installed, the cover panels on the cabinet. So there's still quite a bit to do, but we are coming into the home stretch. We ordered our appliances over a week ago. The dishwasher is going right here where I'm standing, and I cannot wait to get that in. And then we'll be building the fridge in with a overhead cabinet and side panels. So those are kind of the last things to install. I have to give a huge shout out to my husband Matt. He is the solver of problems. He rerouted the pipe behind me so that we could get this new, larger, more energy efficient window in place. It has made such a difference. I don't know if you can tell, but it snowed outside, and temperature wise, these new windows are just incredible. He also installed our sink, did all of the plumbing, made it work with this pull-out cabinet, which if you're familiar with these, they're awesome, and they make this lower sink cabinet so much more functional, but you have to keep everything to the back 5 or 6 inches of the cabinet so that you can open and close the drawer, and just be mindful of where the P-trap is and all that. So he made it all work, and I'm just so thankful for him. He's got skills coming out the wazoo. Can you say that? I don't know. When he does. And then he put the faucet in, so it just looks awesome. I'm so excited to enjoy this new kitchen and have it for our family. We're checking things off the list, and I can't wait to show you the finished room next week.
Until next week, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Let me know if you have any questions about this project in the comments or on my blog, and I'll see you next week.